Hi everyone and welcome to this week's taster video, which is about gardening. So it's getting really nice and warm out there, so spring is almost here. I mean, you can't be quite sure in Scotland of that anyway, but it's time to get your seedlings ready and to get planting and to get ready for the upcoming summer. So now is the time to dig deep into the gardening module, literally. So let's have a look together. So this module is for the bronze, silver and gold sectional certificate. And as usual, this is the module overview. We've got a wee mind map here that takes you through the module and gives you a week by week breakdown. So let's have a look inside the module. So starting as usual, you've got a wee introduction here, which I will show you in a minute. So this is just an overview of the garden activities. So there's 12 garden and nature-based activities. So you have 4 garden-based activities that you can see here. For example, planting vegetable seeds, garden habitat creation, weeding and pruning, and harvesting. And it also tells you when this should be done, which is spring to autumn, or year round, and summer to spring. So you can already see there is quite a few activities that should be started now. So this is a great module for you to engage and to spend some time outside already and to get ready for the warmer days ahead. And then you've also got 8 nature-based activities. Some of them you can do all year round, and some of them, again, here, spring to autumn, spring to summer. Yeah, so most of them you can do in spring. So definitely, again, it's the time to start these now. You've got a variety of different activities. For example, building a bug hotel or doing some nature photography, building a pond. And these are great, really, really great activities to engage in during this warmer summer months. So, and again, this is the module overview, and you've got all the different activities here. As usual, you find a wee descriptor here and the exercise files. There's the PDF with the whole weekly description. And if we have a look at this now, this is activity 1, which is planting vegetables. I've said earlier, so this is what you should be doing now. Vegetables, flowers, herbs, all of them should be planted now. So, and all the modules look the same, so you can find skills, resources needed, the instructions how to do this, and a wee little background information, which is really quite interesting most of the time. So that was the short overview now here for the module. And I hope you found this useful, and I hope you will engage in the gardening module. Now is the time to start. If you have any questions, reach out to us. You can sign up for free on www.ppkdov.com. You can find the link in our description, our bio, and we hope to see you in the gardening module. Thanks for listening.